Hello, my friend. 你好啊. Welcome to Crazy Chinese. I'm your Chinese coach, Ke. Now I believe you know how to say hello in Chinese. So first, let's go over the vocabulary we learned in the last lesson. Okay? So the first one, 你好. Okay, 你好, 你, you, 好, good, fine. 你好, 你好, right? Okay, next one, 您好, 您好, 您, polite you. So when you are going to show your respect to your boss or senior, you should say 您 instead of 你. Okay, 您好. 你们好, 你们好, 你们, plural you, right? When you are facing to more than one people, you should say 你们, 你们好. Okay? 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。What does that mean? Nice to meet you. Okay, 很高兴认识你。很 very 高兴 happy glad 认识 to know 你 you very happy to know you 很高兴认识你。As a response, you say 我也是 me too 我 me 也是 too also as well me too 我也是。Okay, next one. 早上好，早上好，早啊 ，Good morning, right? 早 morning, Good morning, 早上好。Okay, the last one. 最近怎么样？最近好吗？ Like what are you doing recently? 怎么样 means hard things. 最近怎么样啊 ？When you meet a friend you haven't seen for a bit long time, you should ask. 最近怎么样 ？He would answer. 挺好的，你呢 ？I'm fine, not bad. 你呢 ？I'm fine. Right? And you? Okay, cool. Next, let's see how to express and respond apology. Okay? Look at the girl. She looks feel guilty, so she want to say sorry to you. Okay? So she will say, I'm sorry. Then you answer, that's okay. It doesn't matter, right? But if she were a Chinese girl, she would say 对不起. Yeah, she instead would say 对不起. 对不起. 3 characters. 对不起 means sorry, to be sorry. 对不起, to be sorry. And you will answer, 没关系，对不起，没关系 or 没事 or 不要紧 okay 没 the character 没 means no, not 关系 here means matter so it doesn't matter 不要紧 like that's nothing that's okay. You get it? Very simple, right? Awesome. Okay, next word. 谢谢. I guess you might know it. Right? It means thank you. Look at the conversation. Thank you. Sure. Thank you. 谢谢. 2 characters, right? 谢谢 means to thank. Cheers, mate. 谢谢. Sure, 不谢. No thanks. 不谢. Okay? The next conversation. 谢谢你. Thank you. Yeah, it's still with thank you. 不客气. Another one answers 不客气. You're welcome. Don't mention it. 不, like 没. This word, this character means no, not. 客气, courteous. Okay? Don't be courteous. 不客气. Don't mention it. You're welcome. 不客气. Okay? So far so good. Right? Okay. Let's look at the last one. 再见，哈哈，再见。Okay, you know it? Maybe you know it. It means goodbye. Goodbye. Okay? 再见 to see you around. 再见 to see you around. Goodbye. For more casual word, see you or see ya, see you. You can still say 再见 in Chinese. Or 下次见，下次 next time 下 next time see you next time. Or 改天见 see you another day. 改天 天 means day 改天 another day see you another day. 见 character 见 means see, right? See you next time. See you another day. See you 再见改天见下次见. I list them here. I don't mean to confuse you. Okay? Just in case that you would be confused by these variants in practice. Okay? Don't memorize them. Leave them. Okay? So let's speak along with me. Okay? 谢谢，谢谢，谢谢 Thank you. 谢谢，不谢，不谢，不谢，不谢，不客气，客气，客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，谢谢，不客气。OK， 再见，再见。OK， 改天见，改天见。下次见，下次见，改天见，再见 ，OK？ 对不起，对不起，对不起，没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系。没事，没事，对不起，没事，没事，没事，不要紧，不要紧。Okay? You know them? You get it, right? Well, that's it for this lesson. Hope you enjoy it. Next video, I'm going to tell you basics of pinyin and tunes. Okay? You can add my WeChat. So you are able to talk with me. I'm willing to answer your questions. Is that cool? Thanks for watching. 下次见。